Welcome back. My name's Dre. I help men master their journey, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to have absolute, positively magnetic attraction to where women will actually hunt you down. Now, man, this gets crazy. This gets crazy, and you're not gonna see results today or tomorrow. This may take time. I don't give you quick fix bullshit, man. This takes time, but when you get to the point of cleansing yourself, having that aura about you that semen retention does not provide, you have to do the real work. Crazy shit will happen in your life, man. Crazy stuff happens, dude. I want this to be the last video you watch because, man, if you don't get it, if you don't understand what I'm about to show you, you're hopeless. There's just no hope for you. I'm sorry, but this is so easy. Anybody can understand this. And this goes for every man. Anywhere on your journey. This is so important. Please stick with me. Listen up, man, because this gets good and it's simple. You can do this and today. You can do this today. If you are struggling to meet women, if you are struggling to have the life that you want, this video is for you. If you wonder, why are other guys that I seem like, oh man, I worked out more than him. I'm wealthier than that man. But they seem to have all the progress and they get all the benefits of women, but you don't. This right here is why. This is you. Okay? When you go out into the world, there is an aura about you. You protrude this aura. Okay? Now, this also shows people what you're all about and attracts people into your realm, into your being. This right here. Okay? So, this right here is why you push people away, and especially women. What do you push out? Okay. What are these things? Well, wants, needs. Okay. You're pushing it out. You're wanting, you're needing. You're pushing this frequency out of your body, of your aura. You are a collection of energy. In your bioenergetic field, these are in there. Wants, needs, desire, okay, fantasy. You are pushing these out. And you know what happens? There's another person over here that is a woman, and by doing this, you're pushing them away. These are on the frequency of lack, of not having. So therefore, this frequency pushes other people away. It pushes them away. Because this person also has an energetic field. And if these are the frequencies entering into their field, you cannot attract, it is repelled. It is like two magnets repelling each other. How do you have women hunt you down? How do you attract people into your life? You have to take all this away, okay? All of this needs to go away by working on yourself, by focusing on you. You must focus on you. Build yourself, your nutrition, your fitness, your spirituality. Please meditate, and your passion in life. When you focus on you, it draws the attention inward. That way you can, one, clear your energies, find blocks, okay? That way, whenever you do protrude the energy that you have no control over, you are protruding this energy. It is of goodness, love, enlightenment, kindness, okay? Joy. That's what you want to be doing. So, what happens when you do this? You focus on you, your nutrition, Your passion in life, man, if you're on your jam and you are focusing on you, you know what that does? That draws this energy towards you. You don't need, you are in abundance. You need nothing. You're feeding yourself good shit, man. Your nutrition is on point. You're not crazy, all fucked up in the head. Your body feels good. You're running clean. You can get shit done. When you do this, the exact same thing happens to another person. They also focus on you. Do you understand? Comment down below if you get this. This is where you want to be, okay? If you are focusing on yourself, this happens. I've literally had women come up to me and tap me on the shoulder and just say, hey, that's really random. If you're not used to being out in public and talking to people, it's really random to have a female come up and do that. Females normally do not approach people. They just don't. I've also had dudes come up to me and do the same thing. Not looking for anything sexual, none of that. Just being like, hey, what's up, man? Or they find a way to talk to me. I've been standing in line at the grocery store and had men literally comment on shit in my cart and just ask me questions. So why do you get those kinds of eggs? Oh man, that's really weird. You buy those beans? I don't buy those beans. Why do you buy those? What do you have against canned beans? You see what I'm saying? It's like they see it and it's like, big fucking deal. I have different food than you. You know what they do? They know that they can feel the vibe. They know that if they interact, they might learn something. That's where you want to be. That is the frequency of abundance. The frequency. And that is where you want to be. But I must say this. As you get into your journey and you become an exceptional man, there is power behind this that you must be responsible with. And I'm going to get into that in later videos, but you must be responsible. Your purpose is to help people and add value into the world. You are not here to be high and mighty or above everybody else or ridicule people. That's not what we do over here, man. No. We drop our pride and we have no problem helping people. We have no problem adding value and teaching. That's what it's all about. That is how you actually attract and have abundance. So if you want more people in your life, man, if you want more beautiful women in your life, do this. Meditate. Meditate every fucking day. Clear your energy so that what you push out into the world is that of abundance. Because, man, if you're still walking around with trauma, internal trauma, and childhood wounds, not gonna happen, dude. You can focus on your nutrition, your passion, your spirituality, all that stuff. You can focus on it, but no. You're still going to fail because you are trying to use external things to get to an internal problem. That's what I have for you, man. If you dig this kind of content, go in the description, man. I have some free stuff. Click the link. Go check it out. Like the video, man. Share it with a friend who needs this kind of content. I'll see you in the next one.